Hi babes, and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I am here half cooked because I'm feeling a little bit creative, guys. The year is 2020. Your girl graduated high school in 2012. You do the math. And on my senior prom, I wore a tux and I had a corset on, you know, back in style, but the girl been hip since senior year, 12th grade, honey. I was doing the corsets already, sweetheart. Get into it, okay? But no, in all seriousness, I had a tux and my eye and my shoes were my pops. So I am about to try to recreate my 2012 prom look. I got my makeup done in a mall, y'all. Yes, it was a mall face. So I'm going to show you guys a before picture, get that into your membrane, and we're going to get into the reenactment. Here we go. All right, guys, so as you can see, I've already done my foundation and my brows. I have not highlighted under my brows because it's going to be a part of my shadow process, and I'm going in with, you guessed it, my LA girl in the color medium beige, and I'm going to highlight under my brow, and I'm also going to use the concealer as a base for my shadow. So I'm going in and blending my base, and I'm going to take my Mara palette from ColourPop, and I'm taking that neutral shade and I am blending it in, and that is going to be my base shade. Now, I don't know the names of these colors, guys. I dropped my palette and really put the colors back anywhere, but these are all still the same colors. So I'm taking that royal blue and I'm creating the little marker of where I want that color to start, and I'm going to blend. Blend, 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 blend. Next, I'm taking my Saharian palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going in with the color Chad, which is the black, and I'm going to create some dimension and depth on the outer corners of my eyes. Now I am going in with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance, which is the 24-hour anti-crease eyeshadow primer, and I'm carving out where I'm going to put my next color. I'm going back into my Juvia's palette, and I'm using the color Fula. It is so gorgeous, guys. It's so it's just, I love it. I'm obsessed. I had to use it, and I don't really do colored shadow often, so I don't get to play in my fun colors. So I was really enjoying this look. So now I'm going back in with that blue from my Mara palette, and I'm creating the transition in my eye. Now I'm going back in with that color Chad and deepening up the crease. So now that I've completed the shadow, I just cleaned up the access shadow and I'm going back in and touching up the foundation underneath my eye. I'm now going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. You guys know I love, love, love this concealer, and I like to use a lighter concealer under my eyes when I do a heavy eye just to brighten up my face as well as the eye. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Concealer in the color Toast to contour my face. So now I'm going in with my Too Faced setting powder, and I'm going to set everywhere that concealed and just carve out my face. Now I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Finishing Powder just to blend everything out, and then I'm going to contour my face with my Black Radiance Contour Powder. Next, we're going in with my Glamorous Blush Palette from BH Cosmetics. Now I'm taking that same blue from my Marb ColourPop palette, and I am bringing some color to my under eye. Now I'm finally busting out my Fenty highlight, guys. I haven't used this in 5 ever, and I mixed Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. Yes, girl, slowly but surely we are coming together. But of course, nothing is complete without the BMG lashes. And there you have it, guys. Yeah. Looking like Senior Prom, girl. This is my version. Tell me if you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this video and if you like this look and want to see more like it, then make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and comment below. I'll see you guys next time.